Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and today I'll be introducing you to the ultimate beginner's hair care starter kit for the winter season. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our Bebeautiful channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss out on any updates. If you are just starting your hair care journey and dealing with dandruff or hair fall, then Indulekha Shwet Katuja oil is a must-have in your starter kit. This Ayurvedic oil combines Shwet Katuja for dandruff control with powerful ingredients like Bhringraj, neem and amla to reduce hair fall and fortify hair follicles. The second must-have hair care product is the Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree Oil and Peppermint Scalp Scrub. It has tea tree oil which helps fight dandruff, which is a common concern in winters, and walnut shell powder for exfoliating and removing dead skin cells. Plus, the peppermint essential oil in it not only gives a cool feeling but also helps with better blood flow on your scalp. So it's a treat for your hair. Now, if your hair has been through coloring, bleaching and heat styling, you'll want something to undo that damage, right? Well, that's where the Tresemme Bondplex Repair Shampoo and Conditioner come to the rescue. This awesome duo acts like protective shield for your hair, making it tough and resilient. And the best part? It works its magic in just 5 minutes, diving deep to fix up your hair's bonds. Now, I've got 2 essential serums every beginner should consider. First, the Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree and Rosemary Hair Growth Scalp Serum is ideal for your scalp. It contains curry leaf extract to combat hair loss and vegan biotin for increased hair density and all-natural vegan chunks. Second is the Tresemme Keratin Repair Bondplex Oil Hair Serum for your hair lengths. It offers thermal protection up to 230 degrees Celsius, enhancing shine, and is free from harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates and mineral oil, giving your hair the care it deserves. I hope you found this ultimate beginner hair care starter kit helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our Bebeautiful channel and ring the notification bell for further updates. Bye!